Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grant Baciocco. I'm a puppeteer and a creator, and on this channel I talk about creativity and puppetry and lots of different things. And today we have an unboxing. This is going to be a little interesting. And I would actually say this has something to do with creativity. I was out having lunch with my good friend Russ Walko, Puppet Garage. Check out all the puppets that he's built. He's amazing. And he picked up his phone and he was going to look up at something on Facebook, and he goes, "Oh, I can't because I bricked my phone." And I go, "What do you mean you bricked your phone?" And what this is a service. It's an app, and it's a little dongle that you buy, and you it locks you out of certain apps unless you scan it to the dongle. So we're going to take a look at this, but it's a way to keep the distractions away from your phone. Now, if you've been listening to my podcast, the GrantCast, I'll have a link to that down below, you will know that I'm always looking for ways to not be distracted by my phone. I have two phones. I have a phone that stays here in the house, and it has all the fun social media apps on it. And the phone that I take elsewhere has like limited apps on it, and I can only kind of use things to create content, not necessarily post or like or all that kind of stuff. So I'm very excited to check this out because using this, I could have all those apps on my phone. It's just when I'm away from the house, I would be locked out of them. The things we do instead of just having willpower enough to not surf or anything like that. All right, so here we go. Here is the brick packaging. Let me bring this over here. Brick, make your phone a tool again. Designed in Wisconsin, made in China. So this is it here, and let's open it up. So the first thing you have to do is you have to download the app. Welcome to Brick. Your phone is about to become a tool again. As two guys in our early 20s, we grew up with smartphones. We realized that while our phones were our greatest tool, they were also our biggest distraction. We found out that there wasn't a good way to keep the tools with us, but ditch the distractions when we wanted. So we made Brick. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And that is from Zach and TJ. Thank you. Where do you put Brick? Fridge, your desk, your front door, or any magnetic surface. What do you do while bricked? You read, explore, focus, and hang out. So here is the little brick dongle right here. I don't think there's anything else in the box. We can slide the box to the side. But here is the little brick dongle. It's got a little stopper on it, so it can sit on a desk, but it's also magnetic. I don't really have anything that is magnetic necessarily. I do, over here, you can't see it, but it is magnetic. It does stick on something. Oh, there you go. I stuck it onto this light. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but as you can see, it sticks right onto the light there. Like that, so it does work. So I'm going to download the app. I'm going to set this up, and then I will come back and I will let you know kind of what I think of it. All right, so I have the Brick app installed, and I'm going to click to open it here. Welcome to Brick. Your phone is about to become a tool again. Brick was created by two recent college grads who wanted to spend less time on their screens and more time doing what matters. We use it when working, reading, walking, sleeping, and doing anything else that's engaging without distractions. We're excited to see how you use it. Continue. So this is how you use it. You choose apps to block. You set up modes to block distracting apps when you are bricked. You tap your brick, which is the little dongle thing, and your phone will block those apps, and then you do what matters to you. Give your life, tap the brick to access everything when you return. So I have to create an account here, and in order to do it, so I'm going to do that really quickly. All right, so all you have to do is you enter in your email address. I'm sure you're added to some sort of mailing list, but then they send you a code. You don't have to create a password, but that locks you in. And so now you activate your brick. Tap the button below, then tap the top of your phone to your brick to activate. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to tap it. Successfully activated. And then it just says start using. Okay, so it looks like with the brick you can have different modes. You can select like work or family time, and the mode will allow you to either block apps or allow apps, and you can select those apps there. The other thing is you have emergency unbricks. So if you are out somewhere and your phone is bricked and you can't access certain apps and you need to access certain apps, then you can unbrick them. You have five unbrickings, I guess it would be. And then if you use up all 5 of your unbrickings, they say that you can, it's not, your phone isn't dead. You can delete the brick app, you'll get access to all your things, and then you basically have to go through the setup again. The other thing that I've heard about this as well, that I've read in their frequently asked questions, is that multiple people can use one brick. So this was $59. I think there was a discount in order to get this. So I think it was like $50 with the shipping and everything when all was said and done. There is some referral code that I should probably be telling you, but I don't know what it is, and I don't really do a lot of those referral things. But anyway, so I'm very excited to start using this. I will use it. Perhaps I will do a follow-up video if you think that I should do a follow-up video to let you know how it is going with this. But it's a pretty ingenious thing, and I'm excited to try it out and start working with it and see if it makes me more creative. Well, that's going to do it for this time. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being here, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.